Today we have this 1929 Corona 4 antique portable typewriter. I'm going to show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. It's got these paper holders that flip up in the back. And the fingers in front hold the paper down too. Margins are located in the back here on each side, right there and right there. And you just want to set those. You just push them in. You just push them in and move them from side to side. And you want to set those after this finger and before that finger, so they don't ride over it and get stuck. Once you hear the bell, you're at the end of the margin. You hit the line space, get you back to the beginning. It skips 1 or 2. Right now we have it on single. But if you want double, you just flip this switch up and it'll skip 2. We're going to keep it on single for now and finish typing. As you can see, all the keys type nice and none of them skip or stick. I'll type a sentence on the next line. Very nice typing machine. I missed a space in the sentence somewhere, but that's okay. Print looks really good. Type's very nice. Almost 100 years old and it still works really good. And it will last forever if you take care of it. Really pretty factory color here. Really nice condition for its age. I'll show you how to use the rest of the functions. We're gonna flip these back down, and the backspace is on the right side. Works good. A shift on each side and a shift lock. On the left, to clear it, you just hit the shift button again. The color selector switch is right next to that shift, and you flip it up. It'll hit the bottom portion of the ribbon. The vibrator just goes up higher when you do that, and when you pull it down, you can see that the vibrator doesn't go up as high. You hit the top half of the ribbon. And when you get to the end of the margin, there's a mechanism that will block you from typing. And to get past that, you hit the margin release and it will allow you to continue typing past that margin. That works good. To change the direction, right now we're pulling all the way to the right because we have a brand new ribbon loaded on the left side here. But if you want to change that direction, you just flip that little holder there forward and it'll start pulling counterclock or clockwise to this side. We're going to keep it pulling to that side for now. And that's about it. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.